Morning, both of you. Wow, is that a gesture? Right away, you want to comb your hair? How about you, Leo? Guys, this is Snowy. I just came here in their house, so this is what she want. Comb her hair. Oh my gosh. The other one is looking for a food again. Okay. Take it easy. Where is your dad? Your dad go home? I work? Did he went out already? So what is it now, Snowy? What is it now? Oi, naughty boy, what are you doing there? You looking for a food again, huh? The beauty and the handsome. Hi, beauty. How are you, my beautiful? My beautiful Snowy. How are you? Ah, he was angry. She's angry because of this man. He want to comb also his hair. Okay. Okay. But this one don't like to give up the comb. Why are you murmuring? Why are you angry? Don't coming up or else you'll get in trouble. Don't coming up or else you get in trouble, my dear. Why your hair is like this? Very look at this, guys. What are you doing now? Huh? You get in trouble. You might in trouble. You want to comb your hair also? Or else you are in trouble. This is Snowy and that is Leo. Making trouble, Leo again. Come on. Wait for the revenge. So Leo avoiding Snowy now. Okay, that's right. My God, what are you doing, Leo?